Hello everybody and welcome back to Study with Julia. Today I'll be showing you guys a weekend in my life. As you might be able to tell, I'm not surrounded by yellowing walls, so I am back home. My parents have gone away, so I've come back to look after my sister for a bit. I've got a pretty exciting weekend coming up, thinking of it now. Plan for today, we'll just focus on today, one step at a time. I have my driving lesson. I'm gonna go play tennis with my sister. I'm gonna go try out the new London Chick-fil-A and do some shopping because I need a couple of bits and bobs. And my new vinyl is meant to come. The Tate McRae So Close to What Deluxe, which I'm pretty excited about. I did just have breakfast and everything. Now it's time. Coffee and some work because, to be honest with you guys, Wi-Fi has been down in my uni and accommodation since Tuesday night. It's now Saturday, still down. Still expected to be down for at least another 4 days or something like that. Not great at all. Pretty abysmal, actually. So I need to catch up on a lot of stuff. If you guys want to take a look at my to-do list just for today. Quick note. Pretty self-explanatory. Red dots are things that I haven't even started doing, and orange dots are just things I need to finish off. But I think it's safe to say it's a pretty long list. I'm gonna start off, however, with something a bit more chill. So I'm gonna be reading my Spanish book, well, written in Spanish, and chilling a bit with my coffee. Let's do the coffee taste test. Why are my hands shaking so much today? Oh, that's actually delectable. Because my driving instructor messaged me. We were meant to have lessons from 10 to 12, but now she's saying see you at 11. So I said, oh, okay, but I have the tennis courts booked at 1. So I said, can we go shorten it slightly to 12:45 finish time? So hopefully she lets that happen. But I am procrastinating a little bit now by doing this little monologue and not doing any of the work. So yeah, I'll read and annotate my book a bit, learn a little bit of Spanish, and see where we go from there. Okie dokie, I got some work done. I need to still fix my hair because I need to put it up in a ponytail, in a headband, not in my claw clip. But outfit of the day, Londell Rati Amazon tennis skirt. And these are not the shoes for the day, those are my slippers around the house. I have an hour until my driving lesson. So because I am so far behind, I will just go quickly fix my hair. Because I left everything upstairs to do it. I'll get some more work done. I think I'll focus on my flashcards right now. Get my anatomy and physiology, anatomy and physiology flashcards done. Maybe I'll reward myself after that if I feel like I've done enough work. Taking this day chill, it's lovely weather, that's why I'm able to dress like this. But yeah, let me fix my hair and get back to work. Stop being a lazy bum. Don't know if it's going to be chilly or not. Put my jacket on just in case. About to leave in like 10 minutes. Obviously can't film that because legal reasons as well. But driving lessons stress me out. So I guess I'll give you guys all the updates after I'm back for 2 whole hours. Driving lesson is complete. I think I'm ready for my test. I guess we'll figure that out. We're not going to go to Chick-fil-A straight from tennis. We are going to pop back so I can actually change, which is a better idea. I'll figure out what I'll change into. But yeah, we're about to go to tennis. Have some fun. I'm in a bit of a rush, so I'm not making much sense, but I'll show you guys some of the tennis, won't we, Susie? See. I felt a bit self-conscious filming the tennis because my sister's coach was like right on the court next to us. So I was like, okay, not film this. But I'll give you guys a look into how I was kind of playing.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, so now we are gonna go to Chick-fil-A and do some shopping. And I'm actually quite looking forward to that. I forgot my tote upstairs actually. Give me a second. I've got my Kiss All the Time Disco Occasionally tote. I actually really love this. I don't have any like black totes. Everything is like the normal canvas colour. So I'm really excited to use this. And yeah, we're gonna go and we'll give you guys a review. Okay guys, I got back once more. The whole there was nowhere to sit. I know it was a Saturday, but we literally had to like eat our food in a big rush, so I didn't film any of it. What would I rate Chick-fil-A? 8.5 out of 10. My favourite part was the waffle fries and the half and half. Drink was really good. I got the spicy deluxe burger. It was pretty good. I was expecting more from Chick-fil-A sauce. I thought people always like bigged it up. It wasn't that great. Like, it was good, but I just expected something much better based on what people were saying, really. But I also got myself a notebook. Start being an adult and noting things. And I got my sister a little like travel perfume. And then we went to Wendy's for dessert because they didn't have any ice cream or dessert in the Chick-fil-A. So I was like, fine, let's make it a good day. And then my vinyl just came as well. So close to what? If you guys want to see my I have a whole Instagram dedicated to my vinyls. It will be in the description, but just as a quick preview. Wow. I love the colorway. I feel like it's so different to the normal version of the album, this deluxe. But it also still feels so on theme. Oh, I didn't even see it had an insert. Oh, cool. Oh, it's like a poster. Can either be this or this. That's quite cool. Sorry, I don't know if you guys even care about this, but I really, really geek out about vinyls. I think this is like my, I don't even want to say like 30th proper, well, I've got actually some of them with CDs, but I love see-through vinyls. I feel like they're really cool, especially because I have a cool slip mat on my record player. But in case you guys don't care, I'm not gonna yap on too much about this. What's the plan? I think I will wash now. It's been quite cold. We spent quite a while in town. Like what, 3-4 hours?
Yeah, I think.
Because
Chick-fil-A.
the queue for Chick-fil-A.
There were 2 queues for it.
Yeah, there was like, okay, so for Chick-fil-A, you queued across the road, and then you queued in front of Chick-fil-A, and then you queued in Chick-fil-A, and that took like half an hour to an hour or so. Then walked around some shops, got dessert, walked around some more shops, and then I was like, okay, let's go home. It was a bit cold, so yeah, I think I am going to go shower and play this vinyl through. Every single time I get a new vinyl, I just have this need to christen it, play it for the first time. So I'm gonna do that. Actually, I might run myself a bath. I love baths. Just turning down the volume. Almost finished this vinyl, which I need to christen. But also every single day that I don't have uni, if I'm at home, I play vinyl. If I'm at halls, I play a CD. Today I'm at home, so the vinyl I will be playing is Faith in the Future by Louis Tomlinson. I feel like I haven't talked about my vinyls too much on this channel. But I'm glad I can share that with you guys now. I've also been very, very productive since I had my bath. I have finished my flashcards, both for anatomy and physiology. I don't know if you guys can see that very well. And I did my personal and academic skills, writing skills to how to plan an undergraduate essay self-directed lecture. I'll give myself a bit of a break, just finish off this vinyl. I might do some crocheting in the meantime. Before I delve into the flashcards of my Pathophysiology of Respiratory Diseases Part 1 lecture, because we had 2 parts of that. The first one I'm pretty sure was just asthma, and then the second one was COPD. So the first one I'll just do basically my asthma flashcards. But for now, some chill, a little break, a little crocheting. I am getting really, really tired. But we'll push through a bit more because I have a lot to catch up on. Let me use up all the Wi-Fi I can while I still have access to it and I'm at home. I should not have chilled. I should have gone to work because now I'm tired. I'm gonna go to bed. I just don't have the energy to do anything. Overall, maybe just looking at uni work, it was not a productive day, but considering how much happened today, it was a very, very busy and productive day. Hopefully tomorrow stays like that. And I will be seeing you guys tomorrow. Okay, it is Sunday. I'll show you guys the fit of the day. I keep on forgetting I'm not tall enough for this, but it's all my Wilson tennis clothes because plan for today, I have work. I just found that out at around 10. I'm going to do some Polish lessons. And then 12 to 1, I do have tennis because my sister has her lesson and I thought, why don't I tag along and learn some stuff? Because I need it, safe to say. So hence the Wilson outfit for now. And what's after that? I need to do some homework with my sister, help her out with that. Clean the house before my parents get home. And obviously still catching up on all those lectures. Let me go downstairs, let me set up in the garden because I don't know if you can see, but the sun is shining today, so I want to make the most of it and enjoy the weather. Just finished work. It was a bit confusing at the beginning because I didn't really know I was meant to have it today. It was very good actually, pretty nice, just some Polish, so could do that pretty easily. Now I have like 17 minutes before I have to leave with my sister for our tennis coaching. So I don't know what I'll do. Maybe do some flashcards. 17 minutes is enough time. Yeah, let's do some flashcards. Actually, I can't be bothered. I'm just gonna eat fruit and go to tennis. So no more flashcards until after tennis. Okie dokie. Gosh, what a day. Tennis was great. We were working on our footwork, split steps. As you can tell, it is now dark outside because I got back, had my lunch, and I just fell asleep. I'm drinking a coffee now. The weather took a turn. I think it's like, I don't know, high air pressure, low air pressure. I don't know which one makes you extra tired, but that was me. So now, what a point. I am just watching the tennis, and I'm actually going to do my flashcards now that I've woken up a bit. But I also think I'm still a little bit ill deep down. So I'm letting myself have a bit of a break, but also trying to be as productive as possible. So yeah, let's get those flashcards down. That would be nice. Okay, that's all done. All my flashcards complete. Second thing, well, technically fourth educational thing that I want to do today is finish off my notes and do the flashcards for my Pathophysiology of Respiratory Diseases Part 2 lecture, because I didn't finish off the notes during the lecture. And this one's more about COPD, a little bit about pneumonia, mainly COPD. So let's get down to work. This might be the last thing I do today because I'm getting tired, but my parents are coming back today, so I'm trying to stay up until they come back. So hopefully they come back soon, but they're still waiting on their class. So it might be a while. My parents are meant to be here really very soon. My sister's sleeping. But last thing I want to do is basically all my tutorial notes I have in my notebook. Last time around I forgot my notebook, so I just want to copy everything in down here so I have everything in the right spot. If I'm looking for it I'm gonna know it's gonna be here. So I just have to copy the online notes into the notebook. So hopefully be the last thing I'm doing. No, it will be the last thing I'm doing no matter what, because I'm getting tired. Also, my parents don't have their keys, so I am on the lookout, and they have actually just pulled up. Crazy timing. I'm not going to be doing that because I'm very tired, but yeah, my parents just kind of gave us the lowdown because they went to Rome for like the weekend. Sounds really nice. I really want to go one day, see how it is. When I have money and time, that would be amazing. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna go to bed now. It is pretty late for me anyway. Don't usually go to bed at 12. But yeah, that is the end of my weekend at home, nicely enough. But if you guys like this video, please remember to like, comment down anything you want. If you could subscribe, I'd be very, very grateful. And if you want to see a video in which I spent even longer up on my legs and much, much less time sleeping, you can click on this video. It's got a Harry Styles album release party, lectures, quite a lot of fun things in there. So I say it's a fun one to watch. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.